Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is BRcrochet. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, thank you for always coming back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make this top here. So you're going to be learning how to make the v-neck top that I'm having here. You'll be needing roughly 2 balls of yarn for this, and you'll be needing your pair of scissors, a tape measure, and a 4.0 mm hook. You can decide to use a lesser hook or higher hook. I'm using a 4.0 mm hook, and you can use any yarn of your choice. So yeah, let's get started. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For this top measurement, all you need to consider is your bust to bust measurement. What is bust to bust measurement? Bust to bust measurement is from where your bust started from to the other part of your bust. So that's probably before your armpit or under your armpit. So from both sides. Mine is 21 inches, so I worked on 21 inches. So whatever your bust to bust measurement is, you can work on your bust to bust measurement. Begin with a slip knot. You're going to make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to skip 2 chain and work into the third. So skip 1, 2 and work into this. 1, work into the next. 2, work into the third chain. So right now you have 3 double crochet here. Your chain 2 does not count as a stitch, so you have 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, turn into the first stitch, make 2 double crochet, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into the next, make 1 double crochet. Into the last stitch here, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So in total you're going to have 7 double crochet into the second row. So the first row you have 3 double crochet, which is 1, 2, 3, and the next you have 3 here, 1 here, 3 here. So you're going to be placing 3 double crochet into your first stitch and the last stitch. Chain 2, turn into the first stitch here, place 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into every other stitches you're going to place 1 double crochet. 1, 3, 4, 5. So into the last stitch here you're going to place 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So you have this 3 on your first stitch and 3 on your last stitch. For every other stitches before and after them, you are going to place 1 double crochet each. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1 double crochet. Chain 2, turn into the first stitch here, place 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into every other stitches before the last, you're going to have 1 double crochet each. Into the last stitch here, you're going to place 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. It's going to keep increasing like that. Chain 2, turn. Into the first stitch, place 3 double crochet. 2, 3. Into every other stitches, you're going to place 1 double crochet each. Into the last stitch here, you're going to place 3 double crochet also. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to continue this way. Keep repeating till you have your bust to bust measurement. Your bust to bust measurement is beginning of your bust to the end of your bust and not bust circumference. So mine is 21 inches, so I'm going to continue until I have the total of 21 inches. Right now I'm having 4.5 inches, so I'm going to continue going back and forth till I have 21 inches. So right now this is what I'm having. I have a total of 20 rows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and I'm having my 21 inches bust measurements. So I have 21 inches here, and for this part I'm having 10 inches, 10.5 inches. So right now I'm going to fold into 2, then pick the middle point. So here is the middle point. I'm going to put in a stitch marker. Here is the middle point, so I'm going to put in a stitch marker, then count. So right here I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm having 40 stitches here, and here I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just going to, this is not up to 40 stitches, I'm going to put in here. So right now we're having 39 stitches. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So here I have 39. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So this is the middle point. I have 39 inches each. So right now I'm going to start decreasing on both sides. So chain 2, then turn. Into the first stitch you're going to make a double crochet tug. So put through 2, leaving out 2. Go into the next, put through 2, then you have 3. Go into the third one, pull through 2, then you have 4, 1 2 3 4, then pull through the whole 4, then go into the every other stitches with 1 double crochet. So right now I'm 3 stitches away, 1 2 3. So we're going to make a decrease also. So go in, pull through 2, leaving out 2, go in, pull through 2, leaving out 3. So right now you have 3. Into where you have your stitch marker, you're going to go in also, pull through 2, here you have 4, then pull through the whole 4, chain 2, turn. You're going to repeat the same thing. You have 2, pull through 2, now you have 3, go into the third, pull through 2, now you have 4, 1 2 3 4, pull through the whole 4. I'm going to continue with 1 double crochet into every stitch until you get to the last 3 stitches also. I've reached the last 3 stitches, which is 1 2 3. So I'm going to make a decrease, go into the next, you have 3, go into the last stitch, pull through 2, then you have 4, then pull through the whole 4, chain 2, turn. So now you're having this, then go into every other stitches with 1 double crochet. I've gotten to the last 3 stitches again, so I'm going to make my decrease, go into the next, go into the next, chain 2. So now you have 3 rows of decrease, 1 2 3, and you're going to keep decreasing on both ends. So you decrease here and also decrease here. You're going to decrease 3 stitches together here and 3 stitches together here. So let's just take one more example. Turn into this first stitch, put through 2, you leave out 2, into the next, put through 2, you leave out 2, and into the last, put through 2, you leave out 2. So now you have 4 in total. Then you go 1 double crochet each until the last 3 stitches also, and you repeat the same thing. So you're going to continue decreasing 3 stitches until the end. I've made my decrease up to this point, so chain 2, turn, then you have 2 stitches left, pull through 2, go into the next, pull through 2. So now you have 3, pull through the whole 3, chain 2, then cut. So right now this is what I'm having on this side. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for this side, and I'll be back. So I'm done with both sides, and this is what it's looking like. So this is the bust area, and this is our v-neck, and this is the top length. So right now I'm going to fix the strap. So into this part, I'm going to fix my strap. So I'm going to make a long chain. I'm done fixing my strap for both sides. So right now I'm going to, the top is going to be looking like this. So you're going to transfer your yarn to this end point here. And this to this part. Then tie. So now you're going to go ahead and trim out your excess yarn. So yeah, this is what the top is looking like. This is the outer part and this is the inner part. So all you need for this top is your top length and your bust to bust measurements. Your bust to bust measurements is going to determine your top length actually. So once you get your bust to bust measurements, you just have to divide your bust, then start decreasing. And yeah, this is what the top is looking like. Thank you for watching to the end. Please like, please share, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.